Welcome to UIlicious. In this video, I will show you a great new feature that allows your team to collaborate better during the testing process. Let's see how it works. Log in to UIlicious Studio, select a test and run it. Once the test is complete, you can select any step, and using the Add Issue button, you can add annotations to the test report. Once you've added an annotation, you can share a link to that issue with your teammates. This is particularly useful because you can add the link to your issue tracking software. Teammates can also respond to comments on the issue. When you add a new annotation, you also have the option to change the status of the test to fail. This is useful if you find that there are issues that your test case did not account for. It is possible to add multiple issues in a single step or on multiple steps in a single test script. That's it. That's the annotation feature. It is simple yet very powerful.